guys, and welcome back to another video. So the Z Fold and Z Flip has arrived. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and it has some minor improvements than the last year's, but the Z Flip 6 just looks same as last year. Z Flip 6 is for the other video, but this video is about the Z Fold 6. So let's check into it one by one. First up is, as always, the design. Coming to the design of the Z Fold 6, it is more thinner and durable than the Z Fold 5. A dual rail hinge combined with a reinforced folding edge helps to distribute the shock of external impacts better than before. And the Samsung also coats the phone with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the Z Fold 6 now lists water and dust resistance rating for the greater durability. Design part, they have just moved into a slimmer format and even more durable, which means that it is portable than last year's. It has a really high of weight reduction than before. Next up is the display. When it comes to display, this has more than last year. Much of the attention will fall on this 6.3-inch cover screen, which is having a better aspect ratio than last year's. Still, in our eyes, the more development has been in the inner display, which is a 7.3-inch display. This has the biggest display in the market right now. The Z Fold 6 houses a 7.6 AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness up to 2600 nits, which makes it ideal for the when you're using it outside for productivity or even entertainment. As always, the crease is still visible on some of the side when you're watching, but still it has been drastically reduced than the last year's. Next up is the performance. The Samsung is always putting the latest chipset on the foldables every year. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the Galaxy chipset, which is an overclocked version of the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that powers other Android flagships. The Z Fold 6 similarly offers the powerful performance equipped with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, catering to a power user who need ample space and speed for demanding tasks. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 also excels at power management features, so we will see some improvement in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 battery life. Oops, I forgot about the battery life and even the charging. Next up is coming to the battery life and the charging. This has not been improved. Just like last year, it is a 4400 mAh battery, and even the charging speed is also 25 watts, which takes up to like 2 hours and 30 minutes of charging on time. Other than that, this is also having the wireless charging up to 15 watts and even reverse wireless charging up to 5 watts. They're having 3 cameras, which is the 50 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Cover screen display has a 10 megapixel camera and even the inner display has a 4 megapixel, which is an under display camera. The Fold 6 features a versatile triple camera setup on the back, including an OIS assisted 50 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, which is having a 3x optical zoom. The front camera also is same. The camera didn't impress me that much, but it is good for the price, but for a foldable, and even when the Samsung AI comes with it, the pictures look great. No appeal for that. Just like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, AI features are there in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This time the foldables are having the AI features which we are seeing on this year, and a promising software is there. So let's check into that. Talking about the Samsung AI features, there are so many. Like Google Gemini is a simple swipe away, even on the cover display, ready to answer any questions that you might have. A note assist feature provides a translation summary and auto formatting features, adding a transcription feature that turns your voice recordings into text. And the interpreter mode that translates conversation in real time really benefits from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 form factor, as both interior and exterior displays can show transcripts of both conversations in different languages. A particularly eye-catching Galaxy AI feature is sketch to image, in which you can use the S or optional S Pen to draw sketches in Samsung built-in or Notes app. Generative AI then turns that sketch into a watercolor, illustration or cartoon, sprucing up the look of your drawings in your process. And last but not the least is the price. As always, the Samsung is always shocking us on the price of the foldables. Coming to the price of the Z Fold 6, it is $1,899, which is more pricey than last year's. It has increased on $100, which is not that much cheap, but both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 has a notable difference than last year's, coming to the display, design, performance and even the cameras. But more has been gone for the software and AI capabilities. This year is about AI but not about any new innovations. So by saying that, my name is Saharsh and it's going to be SS, and I'll catch you in the next video.